This video shows how to buy shares of Tucows Inc., ticker TCX, listed on NASDAQ. Tucows provides internet services and domain registration. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker TCX to find the company listing. Choose the result that explicitly shows Tucows Inc. on NASDAQ to open its page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for TCX. Double-check the company name and the NASDAQ listing to confirm it is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your order executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.